Good morning, class 5. So, actually, what was left, this smallest and greatest numbers by using digits, that was left in numeration, okay. But this one, I have already done in class 4. So, I have made a video, so that I am going to send it to your WhatsApp, okay, class group. And today I am going to start new topic under numeration only. This is the last topic in numeration, that is large Roman numerals. And you know this, your favorite, isn't it? In class 4 you have done this Roman numerals already, but till 50 you have done it, okay. So 1 to 50 you already know how to write in Roman numerals. This is Hindu-Arabic numbers. 1 you used to write like this, 1 3 times. Remember, if you wrote 3 times it will be 3, but 4 you cannot write. This 1 you cannot write 4 times. To write 4 you need 5. You need 5, and 1 you will write it there, this side in right hand side. We have done it already, okay. But after 50 we had not done it. It is the syllabus of class 5. So here till this one, I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, and L is 50. Till here you know. Then after that C is 100. These are the symbols, okay. These are the symbols to write in this Hindu-Arabic numbers. It has a meaning. This symbol has a meaning or a value. These are symbols and it has value in Hindu-Arabics, okay. Like here C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000, okay. So 1, 5, 10, you know that. Then you have LCD, M, LCD. You remember LCD? So remember that LCD, and L means 50, then 100, then 500, and last is M, that is 1000. Till there you have to learn it, okay. Now you know the rule. This one I had discussed in class 4 also. Some symbols can be repeated 3 times, okay. After that 4 times, 5 times it cannot be repeated. But some numbers cannot be repeated only 1 time you have to write. Like 5. 5 cannot be repeated. This cannot be. You can't write 15. 5, 5, 5. That is wrong. Okay. This cannot be repeated. This 1 can be repeated 3 times. 10 can be repeated 3 times. Okay. And C also can be repeated 3 times. M also can be repeated 3 times. But other symbols cannot be repeated 3 times. Okay. And 3 times. Now, if it is repeated 3 times, what you have to do? You have to add. Okay. So, depending on how many times you will repeat, it depends on that. So, you will add. Here you can see 10, X means 10, 10 plus this X means 10 plus 10. So, 3 times you have repeated, so it will be 30. Okay. So, 3 times 10 means 30. Just like that, M we did here 1000. So, if it is repeated 2 times or 3 times, it depends on how many times you will repeat. Only 3 times it is allowed. Okay. So, 2 times it is repeated, so it will be 1000 plus 1000 will be 2000. That means M means 2000. Okay. So, this is about how many times you are going to repeat. Okay. So, here rule number 2. The second one is when you put a smaller number, symbol, okay, which has a small value, okay, that if you put it in right hand side, or written to the right hand side here, this side, right hand side, this side. If you put this side, then you have to add. Okay, this I had told you in class 4 also. So here L means 50, and after that you have V also, 1 also. So all this thing is put in right hand side, this side, right hand side. So what you have to do? If it is in right hand side, you have to add. Okay, so 50 plus, this one is 7, you know, but you can write it this way also. L means 50, V means 5, 1, this I means 1, another I means 1. So when you add all these, it will be 57. That means this Roman numeral means 57. This symbol means 57. Okay, like if you have to write, if I wrote here, okay, C, what is C out there? It is 100. So this is 100 and this is what? This is 9. So 100 plus 9, you have to add whatever number is given in right hand side, okay, of smaller value, you have to add with the existing number. If 9 is in right hand side, you have to add these two. So 100 plus 9 will be 109. So C 9 means 109. Okay. So like this. Now next rule 3 is just opposite of that. If you write smaller number, symbol of smaller value in right hand side, you have to add. Just opposite of that is the smaller value, symbol of smaller value, if you write in left hand side, just opposite. Addition's opposite will be subtraction. So that time you have to subtract. Okay, this is the main hero out here. Okay, main hero is V, and if you wrote 1 is less than V, isn't it? I is less than V. V means 5, and if you wrote 1 in left hand side, 1 is smaller than 5, remember that. If you wrote that number in left hand side, you have to subtract. So 5 minus 1 will be 4. This is all about right and left. If the number is in right hand side, you have to add. If the number is in left hand side, you have to subtract. Okay? And these are the symbols. If the symbol of smaller number, not large number, right? Symbol of smaller number is in right hand side, you have to add, and symbol of smaller number only, it is in the left hand side, you have to subtract. And this one, from there I have written CM, not Chief Minister. Not Chief Minister, but CM means, M means what I said, 1000. 1000. Now C means 100. C 100 is smaller than 1000 and it is in left hand side. Left means subtract. So 1000 minus 100 is 900. So CM means not Chief Minister in Roman numerals. It is 900. Okay. So these are the rules to form, to make, to write the Roman numerals. Not just only Roman numerals, but large Roman numerals, because these are bigger numbers. Okay, we did till 50 only in class 4. Now we have 100, 500, 1000. So how to write the other number? Like now what I had to tell you. Okay. Till here. Today we will do till here, and what about the other numbers? Like this one is the main number, no? Now from here only, how will you write? Like here till 50 we wrote, and 1 3 times it is 3, and to write 4 you will write 1 this side, and 5 minus 1 will be 4. 5 minus 1 will be 4. Okay. You learnt that, and if the 1 is this side, it will be 5 plus 1, 6. Just now we learned that. Then 5 plus 2 will be 7. 5 plus 3 will be 8. Like that it will go on. And in 10 also, if you wrote 1 this side, it will be 9, because 10 minus 1 will be 9. If you wrote that one here in right hand side, then 10 plus 1 will be 11. Okay, like that. 10 3 times 30. But to write 40, what you are going to do? To write 40, you should know 50. So 50 is L, and what if you wrote in left hand side, it will be 40. 50 minus what will be 40? 50 minus 10 will be 40, isn't it? So that in left hand side of this L, if you wrote 10, it will be 40. 10L means 40. Okay, because 50 and whatever you wrote in left hand side will be subtracted with, I told you just now also. Okay, so to write 40, it will be XL. Okay, then 50 comes. Like that, there are other numbers here also. Before 100, how to write 90? How to write 999 or 990? That will do in next class. Okay, so this much for today. Please you go through this video. Please watch till the end. Okay, please do that. Please watch till the end. Thank you.